First thunderstorm of the season. Maybe we'll get some lightning. Like my fence I built. Been trying to stay in this deck now for the past friggin' week and a half. Trying to get everything ready. I got the pool up and going. I gotta vacuum it now. But definitely almost done. Just gotta stay in the deck and get that done. I'll be happy. We're gonna put light posts on top of the light caps on top of that fence over there. And I got some lights to go in the pool. One on each end. Should look good. Come on, lightning. You must just have seen a lot of the videos last year on my YouTube channel. My son and I has taken. It was pretty wicked, some of the storms that we caught. Lightning strikes, like, were pretty bad. And they say we're going to have a really good active year for thunderstorms. Because it's supposed to be a hot summer. Well, it ain't off to a very good start. But anyway. Nice to get some lightning, but I don't know. I keep missing them. It's not a very bad storm anyway. My honey's flowers. She's been busy. See? It's my new truck. I love that truck. It works really good. Lots of power. It's not the best on fuel. I get around, I don't know, I think it was 675 kilometers to a tank, which is an 80-liter tank, 20 gallons. Costs me here with the rebate $75 to fill it out. It's about the same over cross. It's $1.02 over cross, and it's about the same. Our gas here is $1.25, but it gets pretty good mileage for a truck. I don't care. I ain't putting money into the friggin' front end. That's all I care. Matter of vehicle, I constantly was fixing it. It was time to go. I showed you my pool and back there. You wouldn't believe it that I had to dig down 3 feet in the ground to set that pool in there. That was quite a job. I had to dig down 3 feet, 15 feet in diameter, actually more. I think it was 17 feet diameter, so I could walk around it and the water would run out. I had to actually slope it underneath so the water would run away from the house out to the ground. I got a pipe there with some rock and stuff. It's pretty neat. A lot of work. I should have just put an in-ground pool in. A little bit of lightning. They're setting their pool up over there. She's on a hill. Wouldn't that be a rush going and swimming in that and that going down over the hill? Oh boy. Well, it shows on the radar that there's a lot of storms coming this way. Some of them are severe and some of them are not. I take it the one that we're getting right now is not severe. There's like a little bunch of little red cluster spots coming towards us. Just think I was going to stay on my deck today. And it's going to rain tomorrow. So I guess I'm going to have to wait until Monday because I'm going salmon fishing Sunday, so. Wind's picking up. That's a cute little storm. But you guys have to keep posted. Subscribe, because this year I'm going to get some real good storms. And I have a new camera that's camera $6,000. And I can do some really wicked things with this camera. And I'm going to get some good storms with it. It should be pretty spectacular. It's a Sony. It's a fast action movie camera is what it is. I can take a shot, a video, and catch lightning. And I can slow it down with the software. It's really cool. So don't forget to subscribe. And leave some comments and talk to me here, because my channel is getting to be really boring. I don't care if you have something bad to say about me or whatever. I'll talk back to you and try to make a conversation. I'd like to get to know everybody out there. I'll subscribe back to you. It's just junky, no lightning. Rain's coming hard though across the hill, you can see it. Boys, the leaves ever come out fast. But anyway, I'm not going to bore you with this. This is kind of junky. But subscribe, I will have some good ones coming up. And if another storm blows in after this, you'll see it. Right on. Thanks, everybody. I'm just going to shock on my pool. It's raining hard now. Like I said, yeah, I had to dig 3 feet in the ground to put that pool in there. What a job. It's an above ground skimmer. It's just one of those soft side pools. I'm not making the big bucks, I'll put it in ground in. I'm actually thinking about building a house. My backyard. But that's it.